Welcome back, beautiful family. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious chicken and creamy Loroco sauce. This is a typical Salvadorian dish that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Amazing Salvadorian dish, these are the ingredients. I have black pepper, salt, 1 garlic clove, butter, all-purpose flour, of course the star, the flour, the plant of Loroco, chicken breast, and sour cream. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and delicious creamy chicken and creamy Loroco sauce. So let's get started. I want to start here first with the 2 chicken breasts. I'm going to go ahead, slice them through the center and separate just like that. The chicken breast is really going to absorb the delicious and amazing flavor of the Loroco. And once you slice your chicken breast just like that, you could cube it, but I really just like it just like that. I have here my black pepper and my pink Himalaya salt, and I am going to just add a little bit on every piece. And of course, remember, it's very important to add it from both sides of the chicken breast. Now I'm going to add it here to the plate. I'm going to add a little bit on the outside. I'm going to add the other 2 pieces. And once this is done, look at this. This looks amazing. Don't throw away the leftover, okay? We are going to use this leftover of the black pepper and the Himalaya salt. I'm going to put this aside, and I have my garlic clove here. I'm going to dice it really good, and I am going to add it to the black pepper and to the Himalaya salt dish. I'm going to go ahead, put it aside, and let me show you. I have all the ingredients I need here. I have the garlic clove, black pepper, butter, all-purpose flour, sour cream, of course the star, the Loroco, and the chicken breast. And now I'm going to make the amazing sauce. I have the sour cream. I'm adding 1 cup of milk, and I'm adding the rest of the spices and adding, of course, the Loroco flour. And we are going to blend it really good. Well, this sauce is ready to go. And here in this pan, it's nice and hot. I am going to add my chicken breast. I added 1 tablespoon of the vegetable oil. And we want to sear it. We want to make sure that we cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it is golden brown. When you see the edges of the chicken getting nice and white, that's when it's ready to flip them. Remember, leave it on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once your chicken is nice and golden brown from both sides, we are going to go ahead and remove them. We are going to put them on a plate, and then we are ready to start making this amazing sauce. In this same pan, I'm using 1 tablespoon of the butter. I'm going to incorporate it. I'm going to add the all-purpose flour, and I am going to cook the all-purpose flour for about 3 minutes, making sure that it's nice and cooked before I add the creamy mixture.
Once it's been cooking, I'm going to add the creamy mixture, and this is going to thicken up. It's going to start smelling like the Loroco. It's an amazing smell, and the taste is just perfect. Once you see it that it's getting nice and thick, you could run a spoon right on the top, and you could see the little line in the center. That's when you're going to go ahead and start adding your chicken breast. You're going to add it in here. You're going to really coat your chicken breast. All those drippings, add them into the sauce. Make sure that you cover your chicken breast and cover it. Cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Remember to taste the sauce to see if you need to add a little bit more salt or if it's perfect like that. Well, like this is perfect. Let me show you how the pieces look. They are really absorbing the amazing sauce and the flavor of the Loroco. You could even see the little specks of the Loroco in the sauce. Well, now I'm just gonna cover it. I'm gonna let it cook in medium low heat, and after that, look at this. The sauce is nice and thick, and of course my home smells amazing, and I can't wait to enjoy. I am ready to take this off the stove and start preparing my presentation dish. Look at this. This sauce is really thick, really creamy, really with a lot of flavor. And of course, I'm going to add my chicken breast right on the top. And now I am ready for the presentation. I just can't wait to dig in and enjoy this amazing and delicious Salvadorian dish. I'll see you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this amazing chicken in Loroco sauce. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. The chicken is really tender, but the sauce, excuse me. You know something? The chicken really absorbed the amazing flavor of the Loroco. You need to try this Salvadorian dish. I'm sure you guys are going to love it. I hope, my friends, you make this amazing and delicious chicken, this amazing Loroco sauce. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.